Star Trek kits, one of our mainstay licenses here with Polar Lights and AMT. One of the kits we're bringing back, just reboxing the classic 18-inch Enterprise, putting it in the second box it was ever released in, reissuing the bridge. Of course,
Hello once again, my fellow Star Trek fans. I'd like to welcome you to another pre-order video. This one, the latest reorder, is from AMT, and they're going to be doing a reissue of the classic U.S.S. Enterprise 1650 model kit of the Enterprise NCC-1701. You know, the one we've all come to love from our childhood. What I like about Fab Gear is they're selling the pre-orders right now, where it's not even listed yet on Round 2 Corp or Auto World. So when I seen that it was available, I figured I'd go ahead and pre-order it. And this is the original, well, not the original, this is the reproduction of the long box from the 70s. Now AMT did do a reissue of the original 1966 release box, and they had done that in both the 50th anniversary, and they had done a collector tin of that as well. Well, this reissue is going to be that model kit. It's just going to be in a different box. And this is like a nostalgia kind of box. I ordered mine. It was $45.99, and the shipping was $11.37. So my total was $57.36, and I got it from Fab Gear, and it is in pre-order. You can see a lot of the Star Trek stuff they have on fabgear.com, and the pre-order, you can see the Star Trek Classic USS Enterprise. And I just love that picture. This is the AMT Star Trek Classic USS 1701 Enterprise reissue kit. It is SKU number AMT 1296. And it's in pre-order right now. And it says due the second quarter of 2002, whatever that means. But that's when it's going to be available. Reissue of the classic AMT USS Enterprise from the original Star Trek television series. The classic 18-inch kit now includes the standard dome base from Round 2. Features accurate decals and a smooth upper hull. Box cover uses the AMT box image from the late 60s to late 70s. Shortly after the long box, they had gone to the more vertical produced version of this kit. And the last release from the 18-inch USS Enterprise from AMT was the 50th anniversary. They had the Star Trek original series, 18 inches long, and that was in a cardboard box, and that was like a reissue of the 1966 original release. Of course, the box art on the back was different. They added the dome base, and they luckily did away with those two X's with the little piece of plastic in the middle. But the last reissue was AMT, I think it's 947/12, and that was the last kit issued on this particular kit anyway, this mold. But this kit is going to be the same. Like I said, it's just going to be in a different box. The one that they had previously was AMT Star Trek Classic USS Enterprise 50th Anniversary Edition 1650 scale model kit. And that was, again, AMT 947. That was the release of the Classic Enterprise. And everyone remembers building that as a child. And it's the 50th anniversary. It had a special packaging to commemorate the event. The tooling was updated in 2007 to feature a smooth saucer top. New to this release, a dome base with metal support rod that replaces the old stand. Accurate markings and details and sticker sheets are included to decorate the model, and pictorial instructions are included to assist you in building. That was, of course, the Enterprise 18 inches long, decals and sticker sheet included, and the special packaging commemorated the 50th anniversary, and again, that was the 1966 box art. So the instructions, the instruction sheet will be the same, AMT U.S.S. Enterprise, and you can see the section, that iconic, at least for me it is, bring me back to my childhood kind of instruction sheet. The upper dome, clear, and you can see the construction of the primary hull, addition of the impulse engines, the assembly of the second or the secondary hull, and then you can see onto the nacelles, and final assembly you can see the ball joint parts and the new dome base. It shows the decal placement, and you can make the different starships. You can make 12 different ships actually. You can make the U.S.S. Constellation, the Constitution, the Defiant, the Excalibur, the Exeter, the Farragut, the Hood, the Intrepid, the Lexington, the Potemkin, the Republic, and the Yorktown. And it gives you the same different versions that you can make the ship. You can make the first pilot version starship. You can make the second pilot version starship, or you can make the Mirror Universe starship, which is also a beauty. The ISS Enterprise. So, my friends, I just wanted to drop you this quick line and show you that you can get the pre-order right now for this new box art for this special kit at fabgearusa.com. At least that's where I got mine. Because as of right now, this is March 13th, it's not available on Round 2 website yet, nor is it available on the Auto World. So this is where I pre-ordered mine. So my friends, I just wanted to let you know there was another great model kit coming. And until the next time, I'll talk to you soon.